Mastering Social English. Arranging for Drinks, Explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very common social scenario you might find yourself in if you're navigating the English-speaking world. Arranging for drinks. Whether it's a casual meetup or a more formal gathering, understanding how to use this phrase can really smooth out your social interactions. Let's get started. Arranging for drinks refers to the act of organizing a social meeting where the main activity is to drink beverages together. This can be alcoholic or non-alcoholic drinks, depending on the context and the preferences of the people involved. The key here is the word, arranging, which implies planning or setting up the meeting. This could involve choosing a time, a place, and who to invite. When you want to initiate a social gathering for drinks, you can use this phrase in several ways. For example, you might say, "Would you like to arrange for drinks this weekend?" Or, "Let's arrange for drinks after work." It's a versatile phrase that can be adjusted based on formality, from casual chats to more official invitations. This phrase can be used in a variety of contexts, from casual meetups with friends to networking events. The setting might be a bar, a restaurant, a home, or any place suitable for having drinks. Depending on your relationship with the person or people you're inviting, you can adjust the formality of the language. For instance, a more formal invitation might read, "I would like to invite you to arrange for drinks at my place," while a casual one could simply be, "Hey, wanna grab a drink?" While arranging for drinks is a common social activity, it's important to be mindful of cultural and personal preferences. Not everyone drinks alcohol, and some might prefer a coffee or a soft drink. Always make sure to consider the preferences of your guests and offer alternatives. This shows respect and inclusiveness, which are key to successful social interactions. We hope this video helps you feel more confident about arranging for drinks in English-speaking contexts. Remember, it's all about creating a comfortable and enjoyable experience for everyone involved. Practice using this phrase in different scenarios, and you'll find it's a valuable tool in your social English toolkit. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.